guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how to change girl voice on your Instagram voice message. To change your voice to sound like a girl on Instagram voice messages has become easier with the 2026 updated method. First, you want to make sure to have a voice, of course, in a voice changer app that's compatible with your device, preferably one with a real-time processing and high-quality filters. There are a bunch of these apps that you can find online or you're in your app store. You want to open an app, then select the female or girl voice option, then test it to ensure it sounds natural and clear. Next, you want to go to Instagram and open the chat and hold the microphone button to record your message while the voice changer is active. After that, speak naturally, keeping your tone steady and avoid fast or exaggerated speech to maintain clarity. So with this method, you can seamlessly send voice message that you want to pull a prank to with your friends.